Hi everybody, it's Keith Couch, Rush Truck Center, Greeley, Colorado. Just got a beautiful one here that's going to take off on me today and go to our Pueblo store. But this truck is Galaxy Silver, 2019 Peterbilt 389. Extended hood, 72-inch flat top, and Galaxy Silver. Color that kind of goes with dang near everything. Looks just really nice color, really easy to take care of. Nice heavy metal flake in it. With the polished air tanks, polished depth cover. 100-gallon tank on this side. This one has the toolbox steps. We'll go up to the catwalk there. 11R22.5s. 30-inch Hodge-built quarter fenders, so we passed right by those. 48-inch air slide fifth wheel, spring-loaded mud flap hangers. 11R22.5s, and this is 336 gears. And it's pretty quiet here, and then all of a sudden they start filming, and everybody's on the highway next door. 336 gears, so it should run right in the meat of the torque curve for you. 6 rear cab lights, or sleeper lights, deep tint window, put the antenna back here for the radio, and then the PDI, they forgot to put the CB antenna right there, but it's at the back of sleeper also. 150-gallon tank on this side. Polished. They did a good job polishing this one. I had a good day. Give you a quick peek of the motor. Should be a Cummins X15, 565 horsepower, 1,850 foot-pounds of torque. Just ran this up and got some fuel. So I don't have any trouble getting to Pueblo. Air disc, front brakes. I believe this one is drum brakes on the rear, but we'll check real quick. I do a Davco fuel filter. It's just a much nicer way to do it. It does better in colder weather too. Jump posts. You need to jump somebody, you need to jump you, and you get the remote lube. So remember to, if you do buy something like this, make sure you put some extra pumps in this remote lube, because a lot of times the factory only gets them about halfway down the lines. They could definitely do a better job of that. So that's the business under the hood. Don't have any lights on this one yet, so you can choose whatever you want. So, yeah, we did drum brakes on this one there. You can see those. And it's just mainly a cost thing. Just trying to keep the cost down. Got a gray platinum interior. This one I did not do a nav system in it. Let's see if she'll there's the view out the hood. This is what I like, just all gauges. Bluetooth, CD, 18 speed. Absolutely beautiful interior. Factory CB. And 72-inch flat top at the rear window. Got your alarm clock, your S-bar heater, everything you need back here. Hanging closet. This one's got the business center in it. Pull out and be able to do some work. So just wanted to give you a quick view of it. Galaxy Silver 2019 P389. We take trades. Obviously cash. We can finance, lease, track lease, whatever you prefer. It's Keith Couch, Rush Truck Center in Greeley, Colorado. 970-691-3877, or you can email me at CouchK. That's C-O-U-C-H, my last name, first letter in the first name K, CouchK, at rushenterprises.com. So thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Keep her between the ditches. See ya.